If you are facing error code 0x800f0983 while installing KB5077241 update on Windows 11, try these steps. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Copy the commands provided in the video description and paste them one by one. Press Enter after each command and wait for the scan to complete. After all 3 scans are finished, restart your computer and check for updates again. If the problem continues, go to Services in Windows Search. Find Windows Update, set it to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start if available, and restart the service. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and App Readiness. Next, open Windows Update Settings, click Pause Updates, then Resume Updates, and check again. If still not working, download the update manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog by searching for KB5077241. Make sure to check your Windows version using WinVer and select the correct update version for your system architecture before downloading and installing manually. If the issue persists, go to Windows Update Advanced Options, select Recovery, and choose Fix Problems using Windows Update, then reinstall. Finally, if nothing works, use the Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website. Download the tool, select ISO file, and install Windows while keeping personal files and apps. After installation, restart your PC. One of these methods should fix the update installation error. That's it. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.